Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night from anywhere you are watching me from. I still remain that una humble guy. Sunset. That guy who could give you that your motivation talk. That guy who could tell you everything where you need to know in this life. So now, I want to say things. You know, this life where we dey, bad things they happen. Things they happen, especially now where we don't dey enter Christmas period. Evil people don't dey plan. Bad people don't dey operate. People where they go bring down. Evil people don't start to dey operate. But I want to tell you this. I am here today to tell you things and things where you go apply, where go dey protect you. Things and things where you go apply, where you go get it for yourself, where go make you dey strong. They always say, person where God dey protect himself. The person where God dey help, they also help himself. Don't fold hands say God dey help you or God dey protect you. Use wetin God create, use and help yourself. Use wetin God don't create, use and protect yourself. Because if you don't protect yourself, if evil people come attack you, you go fall woto. But I no want make una fall woto. I want make una strong. That is why I am here today, to show you this powerful thing where you go carry on yourself. This is not evil. This is what God creates. I can never teach you how evil things. I will always teach you things that will help you in life. Things that will make your life to be more long. Things that will make you to be moving ahead of your enemies. Anybody when they pursue you, him go they pursue you, him go tire. Cause they don't go ever find you. If they happen for front, you go there for back. If they happen for back, you go there for front. No, they no go fit see you. Evil no go fit see you. So now, let me show you things and things where you need to apply. We go save you. We go they protect you anywhere they go. Even when you they travel, you go they protect you. This is very powerful stuff. It is not evil. You use it for your own protection, to protect your life this time from the hand of wicked people, from the hand of physical attack, from the hand of evil plans, from the hand of anything evil. This will protect you from accident. This will protect you even when people want to harm you physical. This will protect you even when people try to harm you spiritual. It will still protect you. If you there for car accident, when accident happen, you no go leash you. If you even if you there for car accident happen, he go protect you. It will never allow any evil things to come near you. Do this protection. Because same man go live life, man need protection. Because when man protect his life he go live long. Because na person where they alive go make money. Person where don't die no know where money dey. The only person will live alive go they think how you go take make money, how you go take survive for this life. So now do this. What you need to carry on this, you need your alligator pepper. You need alligator pepper. You get this your alligator pepper. And we already know anytime you want to use alligator pepper, maybe if it is your first time, you want to open the alligator pepper, you take it to your back. You open it from your back. Reason why people open alligator pepper from back is because if any bad thing won't happen to you, making it they happen to your back, make it not happen for your front. Even when people plan evil against you, as you don't open up for back, now their back way any bad things where people do you go they happen. And if you open your alligator for back, it will be more active more than as you open it like it will be more powerful. So always open your alligator pepper for back. So now you don't get your alligator pepper. you open it for back. If it's na first time they watch this my video, you want do this, open your aligoto pepper. What you need again is cat eye seed. You need seed of cat eye seed, the red and black eye. You need the seed. You need the seed. You need the seed. Cat eye seed. So when you don't get your cat eye seed, another thing you need is your white hanky. You buy white hanky, any white hanky, you get your white hanky. So what you need to do is this: you get seven seed, or you get 9 seed of aligoto pepper. If you are a woman, you get 7 seed of aligoto pepper. You open this aligoto pepper, you get 7 seed of this. If you are a man, you get 9 seed of aligoto pepper. 9 seed, you open it from your back, you get 9 seed. If you're a woman, you open it from back, you get 7 seed. Then this cat eye, if you're a woman, you get 7 seed of cat eye. If you're a man, you will get 9 seed of cat eye. Then now, when you don't get your white hanky, you take your 7. If you're a man, you take your 9 seed. I mean to say, if you're a man, 9 seed, you put it in, you place it on your hanky. Place it on your hanky like this. I show you now. You place it on your hanky. Then if you're a woman, you still get your 7 seed and place it on your hanky. Then you get your, if you're a man, you get 9 seed of aligoto pepper. You still put it with that 9 seed of cat eye together. If you're a woman, you get 7 seed of aligoto pepper, 7 seed of cat eye. You put all of them together. Then you fold it. Don't allow any seed to fall. You tie it. You tie it in a way. You tie it in a way that it will never fall out. You tie it something like this. You tie it. You tie it very well. After you don't tie this like this, you hold it. You make your intention. If you like, it will still work. But if you like, you pray to God. You tell God, use this as point of contact. Use this to be protecting me. Any way evil people want to do, anytime they want to attack me, God fight for me. God protect me using this. You pray your intention. This, after you don't pray your intention, if you like, you cannot see, you will still, even when you, whether you pray or you no pray, whether you talk or you no talk, it will still work. Anytime you are going out, make sure you put this in your pocket. Hold this, put it inside your pocket. If you are traveling, put this inside your pocket. Be traveling. No evil, no gun, no any evil we ever reach where you be. As you are going, you will succeed, you will go successful. Nothing will happen. Even you will even hear some car have accident, but you will never, you will never see it. It will never come to you because God hand don't put it for you. So if you are watching me, please share this video. Share this video to others, because this will help them a lot this Christmas, this time that we are facing a lot of bad challenges. This time we are facing a lot of bad things happening. Do this to protect yourself, because they always say person wey God dey help will help himself. Use this to help yourself. Help yourself this period. Help yourself this period to cover yourself. So no evil, so no spirit, no demon, no witch, no wizard will ever say do anything. No evil plans will ever come near you. Do this. Always do this. You always put this inside your pocket or inside your handbag. Anywhere you are going, you are covered. No evil, no witch, no wizard will ever come your way. I tell you, I will always be giving you that better information. I will always be giving you that powerful things that will make you live long. That powerful things that will always make you to be moving ahead of any bad people. Anybody they attack you, now himself him go they attack. Because anything what they do to you now, what that way it go be. I say now, if God they protect you, protect yourself. I say this December, this time, no evil, no witch, no wizard will ever come where you dey. I tell you, you go smile, you go see next year, and you go smile at the end of it. See, share this video, make this video go viral. Please now, share it now, share this for me now, share it so it will reach to others. Share this video, make only you know can learn this and use it alone. Share to others, share to save life. I beg, share it for me. I love you all, and I will keep on updating you guys. Stay, subscribe, share this video so it will reach to others. Now stay down, my boy. Thank you very much for anywhere you dey watch me from.